Last looks at an amazing show truck here at Rolling Big Power. We're in the shop next to the warehouse. They got all types of construction going on over there. You can hear the boxes being shipped out. You know, they say the detail makes the showpiece. The attention to detail at Rolling Big Power, phenomenal. The last look on this will involve a locking fuel door. Take a look at this. This is the RX2 Rolling Big Power Locking Fuel Door. Now, one of the reasons I like this is because if you've got a truck like that, you've got about $1 zillion worth of gas in it. And I'm the type of guy, I want to make sure my fuel is protected. And of course, I want something that looks great. This is my friend KELLEIGH. She is the Vice President and General Manager and, of course, an ASC certified master technician and an engineer. She is one of the brains behind some of this technology. You know, having something to protect your fuel, I think that's important.
Absolutely.
And having something that's not going to drip all over your beautiful paint job in 2 years because the stainless steel. You've got a billet aluminum.
Correct.
But all your hardware here is stainless steel, right?
Yeah, exactly. So we made it to where you never have to worry about rust with these. So they have an aluminum base, and they're made right here in the USA. And then stainless steel hardware literally takes all of the rust and corrosion worries away. You don't have to worry about it.
Of course, there's a 2-year warranty with these too, I believe, right?
Yep, absolutely.
And you got locks, your keys.
No worries about pesky thieves or any siphoning worries. It's locking. We can, if somebody loses the key, which does happen fairly often, we can replace it for them as well. But the best part about this is there's no drilling required. It literally mounts over. You take your OE fuel door off, put this on, 4 bolts, and you're good to go.
So if you get a chance, here's what you do. Go online, check out the application that is right for you at rollingbigpower.com. And if you're shopping around, here's something really cool. The swag pack, and I bring that up because this is the lady who put together the swag pack.
Love our swag packs.
And it's just something, it's a little treat. If you're out there getting a whole bunch of stuff for your truck, you definitely want to try to qualify for that. What's in it this year?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have 2 different levels of our swag packs, but in each of them you get some stainless steel badges for your truck or for wherever you want to put them on your toolbox. We include a hat. You can either get a Tervis tumbler or a Yeti tumbler.
Nice.
And we also include a lanyard. And we also include a registration card, so you can send us your apparel size, so we can send you a t-shirt or a hoodie.
Because she's not clairvoyant, she can't think what size you are.
I can't memorize sizes.
Check it out right now. Do something great for your truck, something you'll truly love. These locking fuel doors, the RX2, real cool stuff from rollingbigpower.com.